pinaka-gist or pinaka-concept ng friendship lang. Ang sweet kasi ng personality niya kahit kanino. Keyword, kahit kanino. Tapos ayun, nafo-fall ako. Ayan tayo. Ginawang mundo yung dapat tropa lang. Tralalero, tropa lang. Diba? Mahina ako sa ganyan. Sa sweet yung personality. Sino si Joshua? Question po, how would you like someone to ask you out, let's say to a concert? Una sa lahat, anong concert ba, Nino? Diba? Kunyari, concert, ewan ko, mag-isa lang kasi ako nanonood ng concert eh. Concert ng NCT Dream. Lo! Baby time namin yun ng asawa ko eh. Daniel Caesar. Oh my God! Ay, kinilig. Wala pa nga. Hala. Tapos Daniel Caesar. Tapos nakatingin siya sa'yo sa wait lang. Ano yun? Yes, I'm a mess, but I'm blessed to be stuck with you. Hala. Oh, next cover your mouth. Okay, tama na. What's a sign if you are dealing with a narcissist partner and how to deal with it? Ma'am, sir, you've come to the right place. Because actually, you know what? I did an entire thesis about narcissist partners. Oh my God. Ayan na siya, guys. Wait, let me pull out my notes. Joke lang. Puno na yung screen. Kailangan ko talaga na isa pang monitor, promise. Bakit ayain nyo ba ako sa Daniel Caesar concert? Tapos and maybe I'm wrong for writing this. Ala, kumanta. Oh, shut up na. Okay. Concert ni Daniel. Sino ba Daniel Padilla ba? Joke lang. Okay. So, sabi ni Axiana, I hope I'm not botching your name. I need advice talaga since grabe na yung manipulation sa akin. Well, first of all, the fact na you are acknowledging the manipulation, it already says a lot. And I'm proud of you for acknowledging the manipulation, first of all, because it's not easy to acknowledge if someone is manipulating, sorry. Nag-aaya kasi ako mag-Valorant sa mga tao, tapos nag-reply sila. Anyway, so first of all, let's parang breakdown muna. Breakdown, like in simple terms, what is narcissism? Wah! Nag-lecture! But yeah, kasi the reason why I really like studying like this for my psych thesis, for my undergrad thesis, is because parang I feel like the concept of having a narcissistic partner or having like narcissism itself is like parang GGSS siya, narcissist yan. Hindi actually. Maraming iba't ibang subtypes ng narcissism, but like let's just focus on like the two major ones, which is the grandiose and vulnerable. Sabi ni Axiana, hindi ko kasi alam nung una if manipulation ba yon, since akala ko talaga baka mali ko. Exactly, that's the goal. Yun yung goal ng narcissists, to put the blame on you, to make you question your reality and make you think na you're in the wrong when in fact it's all they're doing. So first of all, parang there's no like only one way to tell. Hi NarDJ, thank you for following. If your partner is a narcissist, but there are a lot of questionnaires to really grade or score the narcissism profile or parang tendencies of a person. So yeah, in my study for my thesis, nilalak ka sa kondo. Are you okay? Are you still with this person right now? I mean, if you're not comfortable. Okay, wait. Where is my... Ay, screen share ko ba dito? Screen share? Ano ba yan? Okay, wait. Let me pull up my notes like right now. Wait, where is my thesis paper actually? She's a girl. Okay. Where is my... Ay, actually, yung PPT ko na lang nung nag-present ako sa defense ko. Wait. Let me pull that up real quick. But, as I was saying, there are two narcissistic... Wait lang. Canva. Okay, so ayun nga. Ang tawag dito, ay ba't nalagout ako sa Canva, bro? Wait lang. So, ayun nga. So, okay, explain ko muna yung study ko before. So, ang focus ng study ko ay, Hi, Swordsman21, thank you. I really wanted to see parang which subtypes of narcissism predicts which types of emotional abuse. Kasi 'di ba parang the very core of narcissism really is to wait lang nag-enter ako ng password. Ay, mali yung na-enter ko, boy. Parang gusto mong i-feed yung sarili mong ego. And maraming sneaky ways ginagawa ng mga narcissists para magawa to. Wait lang. I will... Ayan, dami namang eme na tong Gmail na to. But, ayun nga. Wait, I'm opening my Gmail. Yes. Bakit ayaw? Ayan. So, ayun nga. Sinasabi ko nga na yung mga narcissists kasi they have this personality na they really parang paano ba to i-explain in wait I have where is my slides here I found it okay I'm not gonna share it here I'm shy ayun so most people associate narcissism only with grandiose traits because it's visible and loud. But narcissism is more than just a stereotype. It has two distinct dimensions and each predicts emotional abuse differently. So, yun nga. So, kumbaga, yung pinaka-core nila, kumbaga, yung pinaka-goal nila sa buhay ay, ano ba? Palitan nga na yung music. Ba't naman tong kanta na to? Wait. Ayun. Yung core ng narcissism ay parang they want or they feel so entitled but ang pinagkakaiba niya lang is yung manifestation. Kumbaga, 'di ba? Sorry, ang gulo ko mag-explain like, bruh. 'Yun. Same underlying core pero different lang yung manifestation. So, ang mga narcissists, feeling nila importante sila, sobrang entitled sila na ako yung masusunod. Gusto ko ako palagi yung nasusunod. Ako yung magaling, ako yung on top, ako yung pinaka the best. Ganon yung gusto nila palagi. Although hindi naman sinabing ganon, which means na lagi silang mayabang. Ay, naiba ko yung slides. Minsan, ayan, oh my God. Minsan may times na yung mga narcissistic tendency people, sad boy sila. In simple words, sad boy. To the point na parang, eto wait. Eto. Wow, pinakita ko talaga yung slides ko, no? Papakita ko ba sa yung slides ko? Paano ko ba ipakita yun? Wait lang. Papakita ko na yung slides ko. Ang weird, bakit ako nagpre-present ng thesis ko sa inyo? Ay, bakit hindi ko siya ma-present dito? Anyway, so yun nga. Bayan, hindi ko ma-present. Display capture. Uy, baka makita niyo buong screen ko, boy. Pero, ayun nga, hindi ko mapakita. Ano yung iPad ko? Pakopya ng thesis. So, basically, merong emotional abuse questionnaire na naghahati sa yung emotional abuse sa parang 4 subtypes is withdrawal, denigration, dominance, and restrictive engulfment. So, 'di ba, sabi mo na kinukulong ka ganun. So, sorry. Yun. Parang nire-restrict ka makipagkaibigan, nire-restrict ka lumabas, nire-restrict ka magkaroon ng life outside of the relationship because in their opinion, in their thinking, if you find another person outside a relationship, paano na sila? 'Di ba parang di na sila angat, parang ganun. Gets ba? My God, ba't umusog bigla yung camp? Hala, ba't umusog to bigla? Hindi ko to inuusog yung pusa ko kasi inusog niya. Baliw talaga tong koya na to. Anyway, nag-lock in ako sa thesis ko bigla. Pasogin ko lang. Parang gumit na ako kasi na-OC ako pag wala ako sa gitna. May mumu. Wala. Yung multo na yun, multo lang yun ang damdamin ko, guys. Yon. Parang close naman natin. Parang video call ba to, guys? Teka lang. Yung pusa ko kasi, ay, so, may ka-eko. Teka lang. Eko. Natutulog kasi siya sa likod ng PC ko, guys. So, kanina pa siya nandyan. So, wag mo na please iusog. Yan, tabingin na tuloy ako. Anyway. Nawala tuloy ako sa ko. Ayun, even sa friends, ayaw. Sino mas narcissism, male or women? Well, may mga study kasi dyan about that. May mga study about that. But sa case ko, sa thesis ko, hindi ko siya ginawang parang tawag dito, hindi ko siya sinama sa framework ko or hindi ko siya sinama sa parang itetest ko na variables. Oh my God, that's good na you got out of that relationship. But ayun nga, parang so you recognize that there's emotional abuse that happened, like restrictive engulfment in a sense na parang ayaw niya kasi na nalalamangan siya ng iba. Ayaw niya magkaroon ka ng ibang source of happiness, ng ibang source of interaction kasi gusto niya sa kanya ka lang, parang ganun. Ikaw ba leader ng thesis mo? Oo, kasi ako lang mag-isa sa grupo. I did my thesis myself. Me. Just wait lang. Mag-reply lang ako. Okay. So, ayun nga. Oh, I'm very independent. Minsan, meron ding emotional abuse na dominance or intimidation to the point na sasigawan ka, ganon. Like, I don't know who needs to hear this. Someone might need to hear this here. Pero yun, sisigawan ka, papahiyain ka sa ibang tao. Denigration yung i-degrade yung pagkatao mo, parang ganon. Kasi feeling nila sila lang yung parang nasa-satisfy sila sa ganon na parang wow, parang ang galing-galing ko. So, parang to make myself feel better, sisiraan ko or parang i-trash talkin ko yung isa, yung partner ko, ganon. Parang ganon, diba? Hostile withdrawal naman as an experience of emotional abuse is parang kunyari ako, magjowa tayo, kunyari magjowa tayo. Tapos, nafe-feel ko na parang busy ka na masyado sa trabaho mo. Parang hindi mo na ako pinapansin. Example lang Tapos, narcissist ako, kunyari. Gusto ko sa akin lang umikot yung buhay mo. So, parang bigla kitang hindi papansinin. Hindi mo na ako love. Puro ka na lang work. Di kita papansinin. Parang sa silent treatment din ka nila. Ganun. Although, hindi naman sinabing, pag ginanyan ka ng jowa mo, ay, narcissist yung jowa ko. Hindi, marami pang, hindi siya ganun kasimple kasi. So, yun. Wait lang. Let me go through my slides for a bit. I miss my faces.
Deep in my soul, the love never
Ayan, kasi kunyari, yung questionnaire na ginamit ko, may questions na kunyari, my partner finds it easy. Hi, General, thank you. To manipulate people. My partner doesn't like it when they find themselves manipulating people. Parang ganun yung dating nung questionnaire ko.
like this. Keep it
Oo, kakasabi ko lang na hindi equal yun. Pero, silent treatment is such a for me, personally, I think. Hi, Mark Jeans, thank you. Ang pagsa-silent treatment, for me, it's so manipulative in nature. Like,
because
diba? Parang, okay, bruh, like, hello.
only
Diba? Like, what you doing? Talk about it. Diba?
exception,
Parang instead of getting to the root of the problem,
exception,
diba parang why would you,
exception.
parang silent treatment mo yung partner mo. So, ang goal nila dito is parang mapaisip ka na, oh my God, ano bang ginawa ko? Ako yung mali. Ganun. So, ayoko talaga ng ganun. Kung isa-silent treatment ka kasi may nagawa kang kasalanan, hindi na manipulative in nature yun. And you say that because
What's in front of me here?
di mo pwedeng i-confront na, hey, I don't like when you did this. I wasn't comfortable when you did this. Hindi na, iba yung silent treatment sa leaving the relationship, Hindi na yung silent treatment, It's just leaving when respect is not served on the table. That's not silent treatment.
You are the only exception. You
Okay, so parang, don't give me that.
are the only
Cause like,
exception.
bakit ka nang sa silent treatment? Kasi gusto mong
Only exception.
ma-feel nung, hi Sphinx, thank you, nung isang tao na, hello, may ginawa akong mali, oh my God, ganun.
Only exception.
Instead of, hey, I didn't like it when you did this. So, how can you work on this? Ewan ko, feeling ko ganun kasi ako as a person, like, ngayon.
And I'm on my
Minsan kasi, ayaw din ng iba mag-confront. Like, hinihintay lang namin na malaman mo yung mali mo. Malaman yung mali. What do you mean? Like, ma-feel niya na, ay, na-offend ko yata siya, ganon. Like, ganon ba yun? Ewan ko For me kasi, parang, ano para sa akin yung salitang love? Love is sacrifice. That's love for me. Love your imperfections, of course. Hindi ko napansin si Emerald 48 Jamie pala to. Lumabas lang kasi una sa live ko and want ko lang. It's okay, Axiana. You can share all you want. This is a safe place.
beside me.
Like, bakit ako silent treatment nito? May nagawa ba akong mali? Exactly. Manipulative yun. Manipulative doesn't always mean na malala or something. Parang, di ba, you're trying to manipulate that person's thinking. That's the nature of what you're doing. I mean, like, making silent treatment.
Is it too late?
Thank you, Axiana. And I'm always rooting for you as well.
To run from your side.
Sige, para sa inyo, paano kayo nasa silent treatment ba? Game po, oh. Balong-balo na sila, guys. Gather My Tears by Sojiwon. I know that song. I know that song. That's in my playlist. But not in this playlist. Mamaya. Thank you. Ayun, for me kasi, it's
I needed my freedom. That's what I thought. But I was so fool to believe.
so yun. Parang, for me, parang, hindi lang nagiging manipulative siya in nature when you wanna stay silent kasi gusto mo nang mag-cool down. Parang, may ugali akong gano'n na kapag galit ako or hindi naman galit. Kapag naiinis ako or kapag may dinadamdam ako gano'n, parang gusto ko na lang manahimik muna and, parang take time to myself. Hindi yung silent treatment for me. Parang that's just taking a step back for myself and papa-cool down ko muna yung sarili ko kasi pag naiinis ako, when we are at the height of our emotions, we tend to say things that we don't really mean. So, kamukha ko layo. Sana, totoo. Wala, baka maniwala ako. Pero thank you. It's a compliment. She's really pretty. But ayun nga, parang, hi, Seji! Hindi yun silent treatment, boy. Tilted ang tawag dun. So yun nga, iba kasi yung silent treatment sa parang taking time to cool down. Kasi it depends on the intention naman. Kapag nagiging manipulative lang yung pagsa-silent treatment is when you want your partner or the other person to feel guilty or anxious about, ba't ako di pinapansin nito? Or if you want to withhold that communication until siya yung maunang magsabi. Hi, Touch, thank you. Or even sometimes people avoid those hard conversations. Diba? Parang that's when it's manipulative for me. Definition of manipulative treatment: twisting the situation, twisting everything to get what they want. From the word itself, manipulate. Nakaka-drain ng energy kapag nakikisama sa negative people. That's so true. Kaya ako, sobrang, pag may mga iniiwasan ko talaga yung mga negative people sa buhay. Like, okay, like, what you doing? Like, wala ka na bang ibang masabi sa bibig mo kundi negative things? Like, nainis ako, pinaka-pet peeve ko yung mga tao na ang daming side comment palagi. Like, hindi ka ba pwede maging masaya ka na lang para sa akin? Hindi yung ang dami pang, paano na yung ganito? Di ba? May kakilala ba kayong ganyan? Kasi ako meron eh. Salamat, malam. Hello. Pero ayun. Like, nakaka-drain kasi ng energy. Ano ba tong pusa? Sarap ng tulog niya sa likod ng PC ko. Nakaka-drain talaga yung mga ganyang type of persons. No? Yung sobrang negative. Lahat na lang ba? Lahat na lang, di ba? Parang, lahat na lang ba may side comment ka? Tapos parang, alam mo yung, minsan may mga tao pa na ang backhanded magsalita. Na parang, alam mong, nafe-feel mo sa sarili mo minsan na hindi sila genuinely happy for you. Pag may achievement ka. Kaya, alam mo, sobrang natutunan ko over the years ng buhay ko na hindi lahat ng bagay sinishare ko sa mga tao. Like, kahit na kaibigan ko, hindi ko kaibigan, as in, kaibigan. Like, hindi ko sinishare talaga lahat. Kasi may na-feel talaga ako minsan eh. Promise. Kaya, ayun, parang talagang protect your energy, guys. I-protect nyo yung sarili nyong energy kasi ay, shucks, 12:11 na pala. Pero yun nga, i-protect nyo yung sarili nyong energy, guys, kasi promise, talagang i-treat nyo yung energy nyo as pera, as currency. 'Di ba? Parang bakit mo gagastusin yung pera mo sa mga bagay na hindi naman worth it ang energy mo? Like, let's say, in other words, why would you waste your energy on things na are not worth your energy? Alagaan mo yan mabuti. Like, ipunin mo yung energy mo. Kasi, totoo, guard your heart talaga. Toxic positivity. Pag nakakaranas ka ng toxic positivity from your friends, how do you deal with it? Example, bigyan mo ko ng example. You're very eloquent. Thank you. I love how you express your ideas. I feel like I should really work on it more because I feel like the more that I don't read, the more that I get less, the more that mali-mali yung sabi ko. Like, the less eloquent I get. So, I really need to get back into reading. But thank you, I really appreciate that. But I just really like yapping. Like this. But yeah, parang broken ka, tas advice sa'yo, okay lang yan, maging masaya na lang tayo. Hindi, nakakainis yung mga pag single ka, sasabihin, okay lang yan, darating din yan sa tamang panahon. Huwag mo kasing hanapin, darating din yan. Like, ganyan yung mga tao pag nalalaman na lang single ka. Like, saan yung nagsabing? Diba? O kaya yung okay lang yan, ako nga eh, okay lang yan. Yung mga taong ganun nakakainis, diba? Like, oh my God. Yun, yung mga taong insensitive talaga, sobrang X talaga sa mga ganyan. For me. Wala lang. Naalala ko lang bigla. Oh, Ate Belle. Not everyone takes advice the same way. Hope that person consider that when they give some. And sometimes, people are not seeking for your advice. Sometimes, people just want to rant. Diba? If sakaling nakaranas ka ng ganon, paano mo siya i-deal? Gitigan ko ganito. Bakit ang dami nagkasabi, kamukha ko yung jowa ni Joshua na si Anya? Who? I haven't seen these people yet. Really? You're not the first one na nagsabi niyan. But ayun, I feel like kung ganon, parang may ugali kasi ako na minsan like I'm like, gumagano lang ako, but sometimes when it's worth the debate, I really spark a debate. Yung sa Spy Family, yung pink yung buhok. Should have seen me nung pink yung buhok ko na maikli. Pero ayun nga, joke lang, te, wala. Lagi niyo naman ako niloloko.
I taste the lies on your lips. I count the days from we're in love. 'Cause I only matter when he's not around. Oh, but I live to
Pero ayun nga,
take all the love that I give.
depends. Yun rin guys, parang choose your battles talaga. Kasabi ko nga kanina, diba, energy is currency. So, wag lahat patulan mo. I mean, wag mo papatulan lahat. Pick mo lang yung kung anong papatulan mo at hindi. Kasi, diba, pag pumatol ka, ubos energy mo dyan, boy. So, diba, lahat ba ng battle gusto mo labanan? Diba, parang ganun for me. So, piliin mo lang kung ano yung mga battle na ita-take on mo or yung mga wag na lang, diba? Like, gets ba? Take care nyo yung mga sarili nyo, guys. Is it better to take advice from yourself, not from others? Well, there's no better sa kanilang dalawa. Kasi advice is advice. And it's up to you if you will take it or not. But, you know, there's nothing wrong with taking advice from other people because sometimes we get too clouded with what we feel at the moment. We get too blindsided by our personal emotions and feelings that we tend to forget or like overlook the reality of the situation. So I feel like we should really find the balance between listening to advice of others versus following what we really think is right. Pakiramdam ko may natutunan. That's good. Thank you, Sadie. I wish we could learn from each other. Sometimes kasi kapag magte-take ako ng advice from others, paiba-iba sila ng idea, like sasabog na yung utak ko. Well, I feel like one way to deal with this is to just really not take them all at once. I mean, at the end of the day, it's your life. You're the captain of your own life. I always tell the girls this. Like, dito lang ako to give you advice, but at the end of the day, it's your decision. Okay? Parang, you should really weigh everything carefully, I feel like. And, andyan lang yan as a guide. But, ikaw pa din at the end of the day yung magde-decide. So, yeah. Diba? Third, oops, did I turn off my mic? Mga 12:30 siguro. Mag-Valorant na tayo. What do you think? Oops, sorry. Nag-open on TikTok.
Neighbors think I'm crazy, but they don't understand. You're all I have. You're all I have.
Prone pa ako sa mga toxic positivity, kaya nag-take advice na lang from myself. Well, don't you think you should, that's good, but
By myself.
that's good that you acknowledge that, pero parang you should, I feel like I'm not saying you should, but take a second look at your circle and reevaluate, diba? Kasi parang hindi naman lahat kailangan, gets ba? Kasi like ang dami kong like in life, kasi syempre you outgrow some people, and then later on in life you realize na you outgrow some people and parang for me, they're not a good addition to my life. So in return, I just don't share my life with them anymore, and they're not a part of my life anymore. So parang pinipili ko lang kung sino yung mga pinapapasok ko sa buhay ko. That's it. So parang that's the thing I learned when I grew older. As I was growing older. No, I've played League of Legends like once or twice, but after that, no. My cat is moving my desk. It's insane. Because he's sleeping and gumagalaw-galaw siya.
I sit by myself.
That's good. Hi, Junio. Thank you. Thank you, Autumn.
Trying to get to you.
Okay lang yan, guys. Favorite ko, I really like giving advice to people because like, I don't know, I really like listening to people talaga. Kaya, yun yung reason ko ba't ako my cat is so kulit. I'm just gonna fix this real quick. But yeah, I really, really, really like listening to people. Kasi natutulog siya sa likod ng nadidecenter yung camera ko. It's so annoying. Ano topic? Echo, can you please move? Did you see the announcement that Mark is leaving NCT? Yes, I did. And I was devastated. I cried, guys. I cried. Literally.
'Cause every night I'm talking to the
But yeah. Piliin nyo yung mga kaibigan nyo, guys. Promise. Sorry. Nahilo ba kayo? Promise. Kasi hindi lahat ng mga tao ay genuinely wishing for your success. Okay lang yan, Zetsu. True! Pick those lang na gusto nyong interact. Mamili lang kayo, promise guys. You don't have to let everyone in your life. Promise. Promise, kasi talagang sobrang nakaka-affect yun, guys. Like, yung circle mo, super nakaka-affect nun sa outlook mo sa buhay. Sa mga decisions mo in life, super nakaka-affect yung kung sino yung mga kaibigan mo. So, you have to really choose your friends wisely. So, yun. Ako, onti lang yung friends ko. Not a lot. But, happy naman ako kasi nararamdaman ko namang genuine naman yung circle ko and I'm happy, di ba? So, kung meron kang ganong support system, you're really lucky and blessed. Kasi, parang, magkaroon ka lang ng maayos sa support system, okay ka na di ba? Tapos, meron ka pang sarili mo na, di ba, very hardworking. So, parang yun talaga yung, my cat is moving my camera, I'm sorry. Yun talaga yung kailangan mo sa buhay, guys. Kailangan mo lang ng solid na support system and you'll be good, right? Parang sa work environment ko, wala akong pake sa kanila, basta nag-work ako. Tama yan, clock in, clock out, bestie. Sobrang yan yung talaga yung ina-advise ko sa, like, sa mga ibang tao na. Pag ang isipan mo, work, ihiwalay mo yung work sa personal life. Mahirap siya, pero once you get the hang of it, sobrang helpful niya sa mental health mo na i-separate mo yung pahinga mo sa trabaho. Like, kung let's say, sabihin, hanggang 5 p.m. lang yung trabaho mo, 5:01, iwanan mo na yan. Promise. I love making friends, pero I select people I interact with talaga. that's good. That's good because you're protecting your energy. Deserve nyo guys na maprotektahan yung sarili nyo kasi kayo yan kayo yung nagbe-build up ng sarili nyo, kayo yung, di ba, kayo yung naghihirap araw-araw, kayo yung nagtatrabaho ng maigi, nag-training kayo, nag-aaral kayo, di ba, like you learn all these things. So parang for me, you have the right to protect your energy and to select the people na you would like to enter your life. Diba? So, parang wag mong hayaan na lahat ng tao magkaroon ng access sa'yo. Sorry, natawa ako. May nakita kasi ako. Nahadrain yung paglaki ng circle mo. Lalo na yung kung iba ayaw sa'yo. Like, bakit wag na tayo mag-associate sa mga tao na ganon, guys, na nakaka-drain. Sorry. Kinikilig ako. Hi, James. Wala. Ha? Walang audio? Ako ba? O yung ano? Totoo ba? Walang audio? We, I love this song. Pati Tsunami. I love this song. I really mahilig gumawa ng drama. Kaya having a big circle of friends is tiring. Lagi may na-evict, yeah. And promise guys, naranasan ko na yun. Hindi lahat ng tao genuinely happy para sa'yo. Hindi lahat ng tao genuinely supportive sa'yo. Like, especially yung mga friends from before pa. Tapos, makikita mo mag-iiba kayo over time. Tapos, magkakaroon na ng issues. Diba? Parang, okay. Basta parang, yun yung natutunan ko over time na parang dapat ako na matakot na, hindi naman sa mga cut off or ipiliin ko lang talaga kung sino yung sharean ko ng mga bagay-bagay about my life. Like, hala, sa mga isang tao lang sinasharean ko ng bagay about my life. Like, si Cole lang, promise. Si Cole lang talaga. I mean, syempre bukod sa pamilya ko. Pero, si Cole, siya lang, then, we just have each other. Well, hindi naman masasabi na kung sure na friends kayo forever. Kasi parang, diba, parang minsan naman akala mo, uy, friends tayo talaga, like, forever na to, BFF. Tapos along the way, you outgrow each other. Along the way, may nalalaman kayo about each other. Along the way, may maiinggit or, I don't know, hindi mo masabi, diba? So, sobrang unpredictable. Pero ang mahalaga kasi dyan, kung paano nyo i-work on and kung sino kayo as people. Diba? Hayaan naman kitang sumaya at umalis. Sana sinabi mo para di na umaray ko. Ang sakit. So yun, magpabalo na ba tayo, guys?
Hayaan naman kitang umalis.
Guard, may baliw dito. Anyway, bakit? Ha? Ano yun? You were the one caught stealing on CCTV.
Nagbabaka sakaling lilingon ka ba? Hindi
ba babalik?
ang mga
Wala.
sandali, mga panahong may lalim pang
Pinaalala lang ako, guys. Kaya ano, I need to cut my hair.
nagiba. Meron na bang iba? Sana
Sinabi mo
para di na umasang may
sa uli. Aray! Oo. No. Masyadong mapanakit. That's the point! Yes! Sabay-sabay tayong masaktan. Diba? Magkakat ng hair. Mukhang nasaktan. Wow! Ito pa rin. Charing! Palayain nyo na. Aray ko! Pwede bang ano? Balo na lang pala. Biglang nalaman ko may hinihintay ka lang palang bumalik. Aray ko. Palayain ang hindi naman nakakulong. Uy. We, hindi ba talaga? Balo na. Ayan, puro, nagre-relapse pa kami dito eh. Eme. At hindi na masamay tayo pa sa huli. Sana sinabi mo, hayaan naman kita. Balo na ba? Balo na ba tayo, guys? Sinabi mo. Pero gusto ko, ano bang papakinggan natin dito? Oh my God, itong kanta na ito nakakaiyak. Nakaka-relax mag-relapse. O, diba? Kahit di ka naman broken, masaya maging malungkot. I mean, ang ironic nun. Pero parang, minsan kaya parang ano, masaya lang maglungkot-lungkutan minsan. Tapos di ka naman talaga malungkot. Parang gano'n. Eh, weird ba ako? Weird ako. Inaamin ko, weird ako. Diba? Masaya maging malungkot. Sabi mo balo 30 minutes ago. Tara, balo tayo maya-maya. Promise! Parang gusto pa yata nila mag-relapse yung mga tao dito sa live. No, guys. Absence of sadness. Nagpapawala ng thrill sa buhay. Absence of sadness, edi is not even living if hindi ka naging malungkot at one point. Itong kanta talaga na to, boys. Nakakaiyak talaga. Ano ba tong pusa ko? Adjust naman ako ng adjust sa webcam ko. Yan. Sana nila isuot. Pero pagod na ako. Pagod na ako, Jo. Hi, Gian! Thank you! Maya-maya tayo magbalo, guys. Mahaba pa ang gabi. No. LOML? As in, loss of my life? Wag na magbalo, mag-relapse na lang. No. So, kumusta naman kayo, guys? Ako, ayun! Kinlame na! Oo, eto. Basahin nyo kasi yung lyrics. Diba kasi LOML, akala natin love of my life. Pero dito sa kanta ni Tay, nag-song analysis siya. Pero dito sa kanta ni Taylor Swift, yung LOML niya, loss of my life.
If you know it in one glimpse, it's legendary. What we thought was for all time was momentary.
Pa-request my youth. Walang magre-request ng NCT. Grabe, alam niyo po, iniyakan ko si Mark Lee. Hindi, it's love of my life. Pero dito sa kanta lang, ibig sabihin niya is loss of my life. Umiyakan ko talaga siya, guys. My favorite meme right now. Ano ba favorite meme ko? Ko ba? I wish I could recall how we almost had it all. Dancing phantoms on the terrace. Yan o. Tignan nyo yung lyrics, guys. See you this MPL week. No, I won't be in MPL this week, guys.
It was legendary. It was momentary.
May laban Omega sa Saturday ba? TL yung kalaban. I won't be there.
What a bland goodbye.
Wait, tingnan ko lang yung schedule. Yeah, Friday pala. Sorry, Friday versus TL, tas Saturday versus Falcon. May laban yung Omega.
I'll never
That's cool.
never mind. I feel the dreams.
Grabe, hindi ko... Alam niyo yung feeling na ano... Okay, ganito ko nalaman na aalis si Mark Lee. Tulog ako. Pagkagising ko, bukas ako phone. Mark Lee is leaving NCT Dream. I'm like... Alam niyo yung feeling na nahulog yung puso ko? As in, nahulog yung puso ko. Tapos akala ko, hindi, baka joke lang, baka April Fool, baka joke lang. Tapos pinignan ko sa IG ni Mark, totoo. Totoo nga. Like, talagang Tapos, yun. Hindi niya kasi daw ni-renew yung contract niya. Pero alam nyo guys, gets naman kung... Siyempre as a fan, masakit. Okay, masakit. Kasi, syempre, parang hindi ko in-expect talaga na alis si Mark Lee. Like, siya yung least person na in-expect ko na alis. Like, legit. Kasi usually sa K-pop, hindi naman umaalis eh. Parang sa SM, at least, pinapatagal lang yung contract, tapos naging inactive na yung group. Tapos, biglang umalis. Syempre, masakit siya as a fan kasi hindi ko na siya makikita ulit as NCT. Pero at the same time, as an idol, naiintindihan ko naman yung reason niya and yung gusto niyang gawin. So, alam mo yun, parang I can't, diba? I can't be entirely mad or sad about it. And at the end of the day, fan lang naman ako, diba? Yon. So, support ko naman si Mark sa kahit anong gusto niyang gawin sa buhay niya. Wow, na para bang magkakilala kami. Valo na. Oh, mamaya, Valo. Tama, wag para social. Pero actually, guys, kaya talaga siya nag-leave ng idol industry kasi aamin na ako, guys. Kayo lang unang makaalam nito. So, magpapakasal na kasi kami, guys. So, I hope you respect yung decision naming dalawa ni Mark. So, yun. I'm sorry, but yeah. I hope maging masaya na lang kayo para sa amin. All the best. Thank you, guys. Sobrang na-appreciate ko talaga. Na-appreciate ko, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Na-appreciate ko kayo. Kaya pala tinatago. Wow! Pero ayun, guys. Yun talaga yung reason. And, yun. I hope you respect na lang. Anong magselos? Siya nga yung maid of honor sa kasal namin ni Mark. Ayoko basahin. May iyak din ako na para bang co-member niya din ako. Paano na si Jemin? My baby. Ano oras ay babalo, guys?
I can't find a post. My heart won't start anymore. For you. 'Cause you're losing me. 'Cause you're losing me.
Ngayon na nasa range. Ang bibilis!
How long could we be a sad song till we were too far gone to bring back to life? I gave you all my best beats, my endless empathy, and all I did was bleed as I tried to be the bravest soldier, fighting in only your arms.
Ilang taon na kami nagsasama ni Mark. Actually, 6 years na kami ni Mark. Yeah. Sorry. Baka maniwala kayo guys Pero yun, syempre malungkot ako na umalis siya ng NCT. Hello! I'm okay naman. Kakauwi ko lang. Galing akong family gathering kasi Easter ngayon. So yun. Ship name namin ni Mark. Kayo na bahala. Stay strong. Thank you. Glowing wand. Ayun. Inspired or expired? Sorry, Coach. 10 p.m. onwards na kasi. Glowing dahil sa ring light lang yan, Coach. Ingat ka dyan, Coach. Miss you. Miss you? Anong ML? Gusto niyo mag-ML? Mag-follow muna tayo. Mamaya-maya. Ano? Wedding hashtag. O, gawa na kayo ng wedding hashtag namin. Ano yun yung Zainab found her right one?
I was supposed to be sent away, but they forgot to come.
Wow.
and get
May abay na.
I was
Kulit nyo, guys. Ang cute nyo.
alcoholic, nobody knows.
JV found her right one.
All
Kasal agad.
say, I hope you're okay, but
Wait, ang funny kasi noon. Like, ako din dati. Tapos sabi ng kapatid ko, right one kasi.
what about your quiet
Sana di ka na-i-ghost at paasahin. Aray ko!
night there? We were forever running to you. Sometimes ask about whoever, now you're in
Sana nga po. Ay!
into good
Aray ko, Coach.
white waters, flowers. I wanna
Kaya nagta 10 p.m. tayo eh. Dahil sa mga ganyang tao. Eme!
Monday stuck in an endless
Oo, Wattpad lang guys. Ano lang. Content. 12 a.m. Oo nga, onwards nga.
miracle. Move on, drug the
Chronically single. Oo, chronically single talaga ako guys. And I'm proud.
you. It's ruining my life.
Okay lang yun. 12 a.m. na. Oo nga, balo time na ba? Mga maya-maya, balo tayo. Balong-balon na din ako guys. Gusto ko na mag-plat. Gusto ko na bumalik.
I touched you.
Invited ba kami sa wedding nyo? Depende pa guys sa capacity ng venue. Capacity ng venue? Uy, daya ako dati.
Whoever, now you're
Nawala lang ako sa balo. Di ako nakapaglaro ng sobrang tagal. Recently lang ako bumalik.
neighbors, your wife.
Sana all bumabalik. Ay, joke lang. Joke lang.
And for a fortnight there we were.
Mala AU.
Running
Oo, yan kakabasa niyo yan ng AU. Marky.
momentum. I swear now you at the middle.
Yan tayo eh. Wedding hashtag. Hindi. Gusto ko mala Zainab found her right one. Ganun.
I wanna kill them.
So, ano oras na magbabalo guys? Anong ganap dito, miss? Ayun. Ayun. Nagta 10 p.m. onwards kami. Pag may AU si Jaime. Ginagawa niyo ako na AU eh. Sorry, yung pusa ko. Nakahiga sa likod ng PC ko. Jamie, iniwan. Maraming iniwan. Lagi na lang ako iniiwan ah. How old am I? I want you guys to guess how old am I. Wala. Pag mali yan, mag-e-end talaga ako na 35. Ayoko, ibablock na kita. Ayoko na. Ayoko na. Ayoko na. 18. Yan. Yan yung mga pinipin yung comment. Yan. Pin comment. 18. Yan. 19. Ayan. Pipin ko din yung comment mo. Ayan. Yun yung mga... 36. Ayan. Block yan. Block. Mute for 5 seconds. Ganon. No comment na lang. years, guys. Hindi naman sa mga nagmamayabang, pero minsan pinagkakamalan, 67. Minsan pinagkakamalan akong 21 years old. Stop! Ang arte! Mark and JB piso Wi-Fi. Made a mark on Jamie's heart. Nag-iisip na ng wedding hashtag. Hindi ko kanaya. Ayoko na. 22. Okay, yan. Tama yan. Wala. Hindi mabaho. Ano ka lang. Selos ka lang, Sib. Nainis talaga ako. Umuusog. Kasi yung cut ko, the more na inuusog ko yung camera ko, umuusog din siya. Ayan, umuusog siya. Inis. Wait lang. Mag-ano muna ako. What? Oo, clingy yan sa akin. Tara, mag-valo na nga tayo, boy. Mag-open na ako, valo, boy, ah. Wait lang. May valo ko. Every time we touch, leading me on. Every time it hurts, feeling so low. 'Cause it's not enough, missing the only ever since we fell in love. Hello, thank you po. Severe. Grab. Pinahirapan ba ako sa username mo? Thank you. And I watched you to blood that you spread out on the table. I don't need to see blood. Ay, mag-login pala ako. I just wanna see upside down. I wanna do everything that you want me to tell you the truth. Wait, magsascan lang ako QR sa Riot. Riot. It's leading me on. Every time you touch, leading me on. What the heck? I can't change it! I can't change it. I have to relive. Oh my god. Seriously? Mag-relive na lang kaya ako. Seryoso. Hindi ko siya ma-change. Topic couldn't be changed during live. Teka lang, mag-relive ako, guys. Break time muna, break time. Balik ako after like few minutes. Ayan na, in-open ko na yung balo ko. Teka, palitan ko lang tas balik, tas ayun ko lang yung pusa ko Kasi mamaya magkukulit yan pag nagalaro na ako. Wait! Balik kayo agad.
Na to ang ibig mo. Next song. Thank you, Johan. Alright, that was Beer. Risk it all? Ano yun? Risk it all. Or just a chance to win your heart. Just in the bar, be in the stars. I'll do anything you ask me to. Say you want to move, watch me learn to fly. Sige.